Hello and welcome to another Personal Finance Minute, where I answer your questions about personal finance in 60 seconds or less. Today's question is, what is net worth? All right, let's put 60 seconds on the clock, and away we go. Net worth is a way of expressing a person's wealth. Understanding your net worth is very useful because it gives you a clear idea of your financial health. Calculating your net worth is simple. Start by adding up the values of all your assets, your home, bank account, investments, cars, and anything else you own. Then add up all your liabilities or debts. This includes things like your mortgage, student loans, and credit card balances. Then take your total assets and subtract your total liabilities. The result will be your net worth. If you have more liabilities than assets, your net worth will be a negative number. This is common for young adults with lots of student loan debt. A good rule of thumb is to make sure every major financial decision you make adds to your net worth. Once your net worth exceeds $1 million, you are considered a high net worth individual and a millionaire. If you just learned something, give this video a thumbs up. This has been a Personal Finance Minute. I'm Andrew Shear, and I'll see you next time.